Alexis, panoorin nyo to guys kung gaano ka-talented si Alexis. Marunong pa lang kumanta. Oo, marunong ding sumayaw. Bukod sa sports talent niya, ay aba, palaban talaga tong ating pambato. Kaya ang dami-daming ayaw sa kanya kasi nga matalino, maganda. Sabi ng iba, hindi daw. Okay, hindi na maganda. O, doon tayo ngayon sa talent. So, panoorin nyo guys kung gaano siya magaling sumayaw at kumanta. Yan ang Miss Universe ko. Talented at flexible sa lahat. Oo, di ba?
You're not welcome anymore. Don't you want to try to hurt me? Goodbye, you think good for more. But lay down, I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder, I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it, I will survive. Keep on surviving. Thought I couldn't breathe without you overhead. You thought I couldn't see without you perfect vision. You thought I couldn't last without you everlasting. You thought that I would die, oh, you thought I'm living. You thought that I would fail without you, but I won't stop. You thought that I'd be home fine, but I won't stop. You thought that I would self-destruct, but I'm still here. Even though my years keep on, I'm still gonna be here. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving. I will survive. Oh, as long as I'm alive, look like I don't see life. So all my life to live. I said all my love to live. I'll survive. I'll survive. I will survive.
It's something like it's like a city where my heart finds peace and there's something living with pride. The love is shining so bright as from morning to night. Sweet and wonders, light of day. Follow the beat of your heart. Let it be.
Oh, di ba? Kaya watch kayo sa final. Watch na lang talaga. Wala akong masabi. Watch na lang. Watch na lang ha.